Sri Guru Namaga children, see this is 12th standard state board chapter 2 exercise 2.7 fourth sum integrate 1 by x square minus x minus 2. So you can make it as here completing the square form. See here how you can do it like this. See x square minus x minus 2. What is the coefficient of x here? 1. You don't take the sign because if it is square means it become plus. Okay, you can take the number alone. So you can do it in your upper column 1 by 2 the whole square. Coefficient of x alone. If you want you can take it minus also. Minus square means it become plus. So it gives x square minus x. First you put right plus 1 by 4. Next minus 1 by 4 because plus or minus. Add and subtract. 1 by 4 because 1 by 2 the whole square is nothing but what? 1 by 4. So plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 2. It means x square minus x plus 1 by 4 minus. You can take the LCM or you will do like this. Minus 1 by 4 minus 2. So it gives, see here, x square minus x plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 4 is the LCM because the denominator 4 is the LCM minus 2 minus, so minus 1 minus 8 into 2 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. So minus 8. So it gives x square minus x plus 1 by 4 plus minus 9 by 4. Minus 9 by 4. See, you will write x means x, minus means minus. What is the square root of 1 by 4? 1 by 2, the whole square. Is it clear for you? X minus, you can take the last term square root. What is the square root of 1 by 4? 1 by 2 the whole square. Plus into minus you put minus 9 by 4. So x minus 1 by 2 the whole square minus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 3 by 2 the whole square. See, so integrate 1 by x minus 1 by 2 the whole square minus 3 by 2 the whole square into dx. So what is the formula for this? Integral 1 by x square minus a square into dx equal to 1 by 2a log of modulus of x minus a by x plus a plus c. Is it clear? 1 by 2a log of modulus of x minus a by x plus a plus c. So 1 by 2 into this is x and this is a, x square minus a square. What is the value of a? 3 by 2. Value of a is what? 3 by 2 log of modulus of. Log of modulus of, what is the x value here? X minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. X minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 by you take the number alone for a and x. The same thing x minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus c. See, 2 get cancelled. So it gives 1 by 3 log of 1 by 3 log of modulus of, you can take the LCM as 2. So it gives 2x minus 1 minus 3 by 2. 2x minus 1 minus 3 by 2 by whole divided by, the same thing you can write 2x minus 1 plus 3 by 2 plus c. 2 get cancelled. So it gives 1 by 3 log of 2x minus 4 by 2x plus 2 plus c, 2x minus 4 by 2x plus 2 plus c. So it gives 1 by 3 log of 2 is common, you can take it out. What is the remaining thing? X minus 2 by 2, you can take it out. X plus 1 plus c. So 2 get cancel. So what is the answer? 1 by 3 log of modulus of x minus 2 by x plus 1 plus c. See the fifth sum. 1 by x square plus 3x plus 2 into dx. The same way you can take this and you can make it as a completing the square. See here, x square plus 3x plus 2. X square plus 3x plus 2. What is x coefficient? 3 by 2 the whole square. Whatever term is that for x coefficient, you can take it by 2 the whole square and you can make it as plus or minus the term. So see here, x square plus 3x plus 9 by 4 minus 9 by 4 plus 2 plus or minus. The second step is plus or minus. Plus 9 by 4 minus 9 by 4 plus 2. So the next one is what? X square plus 3x plus 9 by 4. You separate the term minus 9 by 4 plus 2. Minus 9 by 4 plus 2. See here, x square plus 3x plus 9 by 4 plus, see, 4 as the LCM, 4 as the LCM minus 9 plus 8, because by 1 into 4 into 4, 2 4s are 8. So it gives x square plus 3x plus 9 by 4 plus minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4. It gives x plus 9 by 4. What is the square root of 9 by 4? 3 by 2. 3 by 2 the whole square. That is a plus b the whole square formula. Plus into minus, minus 1 by 2 the whole square. That 4 is 1 by 2 the whole square. So x square minus a square. So what is the formula? Integral dx by x square minus a square equal to 1 by 2a log of modulus of what? X minus a by x plus a plus c. 1 by 2a log of modulus of x minus a by x plus a plus c. So integral 1 by x plus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 1 by 2 the whole square into dx. So you apply the formula integral dx by x square minus a square. This is x square minus a square. What is the formula? 1 by 2a. In the place of a, what is the value is there? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 log of modulus of x. X is nothing but what? X plus 3 by 2 a minus 1 by 2 by x plus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus c plus 1 by 2 plus c. See here, 2 get cancelled. Log of modulus of, you can take the LCM as 2x plus 3 minus 1 by 2 whole divided by the same thing, 2x plus 3 plus 1 by 2 plus c. 2 get cancel. Okay. C it gives log of modulus of 2x plus 2 by 2x plus 4 plus c. 2x plus 2 by 2x plus 4 plus c. It gives log of 2, you can take it out. So x plus 1 by 2 into x plus 2 plus c, 2 get cancelled. So this is the answer for this sum. See the sixth sum. We integrate 1 by 2x square plus 6x minus 8 into dx. See here, coefficient of x square is there. First you remove that coefficient. You can take it out. So what is the value you are getting? 1 by 2 into, I can take it as 2 as commonly out. So 1 by 2 into 1 by x square plus 3x minus 4 into dx. 2 I can take it out, or otherwise you will write in such a way. 2 you can take it out. X square plus 3x minus 4. It gives 1 by 2 integral 1 by x square plus 3x minus 4 into dx. You can take this value alone and make it as a completing the square form. See here, x square plus 3x minus 4. What is the coefficient of x? 3 by 2 the whole square. 3 by 2 the whole square. X coefficient is 3 by 2 the whole square. X square plus 3x 9 by 4 plus 9 by 4 minus 9 by 4 minus 4 plus 9 by 4 minus 9 by 4 minus 4 plus or minus term. So see here, see x square plus 3x plus 9 by 4, always you can put plus sign here, minus 9 by 4 minus 4, minus 9 by 4 minus 4, x square plus 3x plus 9 by 4 plus minus 9 minus 16 by 4. You can take it as the LCM as 4. So into 4 into 4, 16. It gives x square plus 3x plus 9 by 4 plus minus 25 by 4. Minus 25 by 4. See, x plus, what is the square root of 9 by 4? 3 by 2 the whole square. 3 by 2 the whole square, plus into minus, you bring it minus out, 25 by 4. So it gives x plus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 5 by 2 the whole square. 5 square is 25 and 2 square is 4. So it gives, see here, 1 by 2 integrate. 1 by 2 integrate 1 by x plus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 5 by 2 the whole square into dx. So what is the formula? X square minus a square. So integral 1 by x square minus a square into dx equal to, what is the formula? 1 by 2a log of modulus of 1 by 2a log of modulus of x minus a by x plus a plus c. X minus a by x plus a plus c. It gives 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, because already 1 by 2 is there. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into, this is x square, this is a square. In the value of a is what? 5 by 2. 5 by 2 log of modulus of, what is x? X plus 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2 by x plus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 plus c. 2 get cancelled. So it gives 1 by 2 log of modulus of. Log of modulus of, you can take it as 2 as the LCM. See here, 2x plus 3 minus 5. 2x plus 3 minus 5 by 2 divided by Okay, the same thing, 2x plus 3 plus 5 divided by 2 modulus of plus c. 2 get cancel. See, 1 by 2 into 1 by 5. 1 by 2 into 1 by 5. So, you will write it here, 1 by 2 into 1 by 5 log of modulus of 2x. 2x minus 2 by 2x minus 2 by 2x plus 8 plus c. So, it gives 1 by 10 log of modulus of k. 2 you can take it out, x minus 1 by 2 into x plus 4 plus c. 2 get cancel. So, 1 by 10 log of modulus of 1 by 10 log of modulus of x minus 1 by x plus 4 plus c. See the seventh sum, integral e power x dx by e power 2x minus 9. You will write in such a way, see e power x by e power x the whole square. What is that formula for exponential? A power m whole power n equal to a power mn. The same thing we can apply here also. E power x the whole square is nothing but what? E power 2x. 9 means 3 square minus 3 square. You can take it as, in this you can take it as e power x equal to t. E power x equal to t. E power x into dx. Differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. You are getting the value, differentiate you will write. See, differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. What is the value you are getting? E power x equal to dt by dx. Whenever y differentiate you can write dy by dx. The same way t differentiate dt by dx. E power x into dx equal to dt. E power x into dx equal to dt. So, you can apply there. It gives integral e power x into dx. E power x into dx is nothing but what? dt by e power x is what? t. t square minus 3 square. t square minus 3 square. So, what is the formula? dx by x square minus a square equal to 1 by 2a log of modulus of x minus a by x plus a plus c. X plus a by plus c. C 1 by 2 into what is a value? A value is 3. So, because this is x square minus a square, what is a value? A value is 3 log of modulus of t minus a by, what is the value of a? A value is 3. T minus 3 by t plus 3 plus c. Okay, it gives 1 by 6 log of modulus of, you replace that t because the question it is in the form of x, means the answer should be in the form of x. Okay, t value you can replace by what? E power x. E power x minus 3 by e power x plus 3 plus c.